calls for the fires. Rescue, emergency medical service, we had 166 calls. Hazardous conditions, there was 11. Service calls, there was 15. Good intent calls, 54 of them. False alarm, false calls, there was 3. We had a total of 271 calls this year. It's a lot of time for people to be down and wait for their families and stuff to go over the calls. Really appreciate it. Next, we're going to go with we're going to do the top 10 responders. They're going to get a certificate, and we got a coat for them this year. A couple of coats did come in for them, for a couple people, but we got everybody else. With 39 calls, we had Dave Rumsey. I know he's not here tonight. With 46 calls, myself. With 55 calls, Randal Henning. There was a tie with 55, Mark Dougherty. He's not here tonight. With 59 calls, Mike Dorgan. With 66 calls, Donald Hall. With 82 calls, Ryan Lokken. With 86 calls, Ashley Swartzenberg. Usually I don't even say it, so. 91, Matt Hendershott. Yeah, you don't do that. 94 calls, Stephanie Call. And the top responder was at 165 calls, Timothy Eckdahl.
I pray for those who have gone on before us, our deceased members, Robert Bikorsky, Deborah Cohn, Richard Cohn, Jean Diefendorf, Ruby Padden-Weber, Mary Waterman, and Dolores Grzyskowski.
We're going to celebrate some people that have been here 25 years, life members. We have a few of them. I know none of them are here tonight, but I'm going to announce their names, and then I have a little something else to read about them. So the life members tonight: Elizabeth Bannister, Blair Heeman, Frank Resch, Jason Rumsey, and Scott Snell. And I have here from Senator Hawley, or Assemblyman Hawley's office, a certificate of merit. So whereas a great state is only as great as those persons who give exemplary service to their community, whether through participation in voluntary programs, through unique personal achievement in their profession or other endeavors, or simply through a lifetime of good citizenry. And whereas, fill in the blank member's name, they're not here, so I'm not going to read each name again, is being recognized on this 11th day of March 2017 as a life member by the Stafford Volunteer Fire Department. This person has selflessly sacrificed countless hours towards the protection of property and lives within the community. Now therefore be it resolved that as a duly elected member of the State Assembly of New York, that I recognize this life member is an exemplary citizen who is worthy of the esteem of both the community and the great state of New York. In witness whereof, I have the room to set my hand and signature, Steve Hawley.
I'm the Firematic department. These guys come down the hall every Monday. They do a lot of training, going to classes and stuff like that. For the top Firematic training hours this year, Randall would come over here. His top training hours for the Firematic department. He had 142.25 hours of training. And if Randall would come back up here, he had the most training hours between the Firematics and EMS with 191 hours. That's all I have. Mike, you want to go over and do the EMS?
Hi everybody, I'm Mike Dorgan. I was the rescue squad captain last year and the new 4th assistant chief here in Stafford. Thank you all for coming tonight. I want to take a second on the EMS side to thank all of our dedicated EMTs here at Stafford and all the non-EMTs that show up to the rescue squad calls. The majority of our calls, it's great service we provide to the community. So a round of applause for all them real quick, please. And in particular, we're going to recognize the person in Stafford who got the most EMS training hours last year. And just stay consistent tonight, we're going to give it to Brandon. Thank you.
I do solemnly swear.
I do solemnly swear.
To uphold the Constitution of the United States.
To uphold the Constitution of the United States.
The Constitution of the State of New York.
The Constitution of the State of New York.
And the bylaws of this fire department.
And the bylaws of this fire department.
And that I will faithfully discharge.
And that I will faithfully discharge.
The duties of the office to which I have been elected.
The duties of the office to which I have been elected.
To the best of my ability.
To the best of my ability.
Good Lord. As an installing officer, I now declare the officers of the Stafford Fire Department duly installed for the year 2017. Congratulations and best of luck, ladies and gentlemen.